The fastest, easiest way to build high-converting landing pages. Say goodbye to expensive, complicated landing page software and development, developers. Landingi's simple drag-and-drop page builder lets you quickly create, launch, and optimize unlimited campaigns, so you can turn more traffic into revenue. Try it free for 14 days. Take a quick tour. Join leading brands that grow their business with Landingi. Create faster. Convert faster. Building a landing page doesn't need to be difficult. With Landingi, it's as easy as point, click, edit, and publish. Think Canva, but for landing pages. 400 plus templates. Start designing from scratch, or get a big head start with hundreds of beautiful, fully customizable templates. Browse templates. Save time. Save money. All the features you need, with no extra fluff. Landingi makes creating landing pages faster and easier than you ever thought possible. Learn more. Quality support. Get rapid responses to your questions and fast solutions to your problems. Our friendly team is standing by to help. Contact us. Finally, the landing page builder you've been looking for. Get powerful, user-friendly tools to quickly create and measure landing pages, pop-ups, lightboxes, and sales funnels. Here's how Landingi can help your business grow. Business owners. Landingi makes it a breeze to build landing pages and pop-ups that grow your business. No design or coding experience needed. Learn more. Marketing experts. Design, launch, and optimize landing pages and campaigns at speed to turn more traffic into leads and sales. Learn more. Agencies. Attract more clients, scale your agency, and streamline your projects without hiring extra developer resources. Learn more. Start a 14-day free trial. Read more customer success stories. Start fast with 400 plus stunning templates. Save time with modern, ready-to-go templates for landing pages and pop-ups. Or let your creativity run wild with a blank canvas. Landingi makes it easy to change color palettes, images, fonts, and more to match the exact style of your brand. Learn more about templates. Integrate your pages with tools you already use. Landingi merges seamlessly with world-leading platforms and solutions, enabling you to quickly create and add high-performance landing pages to your campaigns. Google Analytics. Add tracking codes to landing pages to measure user activity, track conversions, add events, and manage other KPIs. Control your marketing campaigns even better with data-based insights. HubSpot. Automate your marketing workflow. Connect forms and send leads to HubSpot. Assign contacts to sales funnels for easier segmentation. ActiveCampaign. Export generated leads to your ActiveCampaign account instantly. Accelerate lead flow to save time and organize contacts more efficiently. See all integrations. Start your free trial. Try Landingi free for 14 days. Cancel anytime. Try it free. Take a quick tour. Book a personal walkthrough of Landingi. Get my personal demo.